now over 70. I've never had a government looking for a job for me. You know that? Never. I went to Teba, I took a contract, went to the mines, worked as a miner, went back home, bought cattle, bought sheep, went back to the mines, and I did that. The difference is that today, because there's a progressive government, people expect that government to go and give them jobs. They don't look for jobs. And that must change. I'm sure to be here in SABC yourself, you look for an advert, you applied, you got into SABC. Not the SAB looking for you. You looked for a job and you got employed. And people must begin to appreciate that you do queue up for a job, you get employed, adverts are not going to employ you. You'll have to look for the advert and apply in real terms. If you don't do that, you're not going to be employed. And I'm going back to the point I made. Let's move out of being a passive society to be an active society.
Kuba wonke ababuzayo ukuthi i-ANC ideliveni. We don't have to explain ourselves to them anymore. The RDP houses that we have, unyogoloy, water and electricity, unyogoloy. The roads and hospitals that we have, unyogoloy. The schools that we're attending, the school that your child is attending, the multiracial schools, unyogoloy. The right of voting, unyogoloy. Uhamba nomilaphi ungabuzwa lutho, unyogoloy.
Together we can make South Africa better. I don't know if le slogan se-ANC besisho lenhlamba lesithukwa ngayo ma-members we-ANC. Thuma mina baba slogans ka-Ramaphosa. I don't know. Lolo sibathume kona ukuthi ba-create amathuba emisebenzi bakwendile ngoba namhla babuta thine ukuthi why singafaki ama-survey ekubeni ama-survey siwafaka imihla nemalanga size siphelelwe na imali etransport size sithathe imali yokugcina yokuthenga singwa siyokwendisa ama-CV singawatholi umsebenzi emathuba emisebenzi kude anyamalala imihla nemalanga. Ma-members e-ANC achubeka ayasithuka ayat-exposa ukuthi alapha just kulutha kuphela awekho lapha kwenda timpilo tebantu base-South Africa tibengqono. Ma-members we-ANC aticabangela wona wodwa. As South Africa going to elections asendeni mehluko ngamavoti wethu. As people of South Africa asendeni mehluko ngamavoti wethu. Asicabangeleni likusasa lethu, asicabangeleni likusasa lebantwana bethu. Cause makungenjalo bantwana bethu baba senkingeni. Cause these people lamakhehla la netisu letikhulu letigcwele ngagoloko nemali okunjonjwa tisithuka kanjalo. Ati sicabangeli ma-South Africa, ati sicabangeli sivele simnyama sisodwa, sivele simnyama sa-South Africa asinamholi sitihlalele boholi abusekho esivele simnyama. Laba labathi sithume bona namhla babuya banamenvulo abadi ukuthi mathuba emisebenzi bawa-create kanjani. Namuhla babuya kithi bathi ngithi lokumele si-create amathuba emisebenzi. Cause mababuta thi mabathi asifake ama-CV angathi bakuthathephi lokho ngoba sivuka ebusuku sigibele amabhasi nematekisi sikufuna imisebenzi siprinte inqwaba yama-CV siyokufaka si-apply ngama-emails apply online kude imisebenzi. But namuhla limember leliqavile le-ANC limember leliqavile laseParliament lithi asiyibuki imisebenzi ngoba bona bahluleka kuvula amathuba emisebenzi sebaphushela iblame kithi ngoba bona bahluleka kwenda lo sibathume kona, sibaphushela iblame kithi. Leli lisayini lokuhluleka, leli lisayini lokungabi nesisombululo kuletinkinga lesibhekene nato as South African people. Leli lisayini la government losehluleki, leli lisayini la government loticabangela yena yedwana. Uma singavuka inyalo as South African people, angathi siyovuka nini. Live liyabhubha, live le South Africa liyahamba, sibukile balithengisa left and right. Ngibo bona laba lebetiso letikhulu asibheke bona. uComrade Ubaba Gwetmantashe waze wasihlambalata, wasithuka silive lase South Africa, wasehlisa sithundi, wasibukanisa nezwe. Yini angasho ukuthi uyahluleka kwena umsebenzi wakhe? Yini angasho ukuthi liqembu lakhe selehlulekile? Sekuyacaca ukuthi inkululeko yethu ayikho ku-ANC. Sekuyacaca ukuthi impilo lengcono ayikho ku-ANC. So as bantu labamnyama eSouth Africa, we must vote wisely and carefully this time. Thank you.